Hi. Do you having issues on your Windows 10 computer, where thumbnails are not showing? Even when you refresh your Windows Explorer, nothing happens. In this video, I will show you few ways how to fix thumbnails not showing on Windows 10, so stay till the end of this video. First method is to check in Advanced System Settings, is the option, Show the thumbnails instead of icons disabled. To check this, right-click on Start and select Search. Here type, Advanced System Settings. And then select, View Advanced System Settings up here. Click on Advanced tab. And under Performance, click on Settings. Under Visual Effects tab, C is the box next to show the thumbnails instead of icons unchecked. If it is, check the box. And then click on Apply and OK. As you see, we fixed our problem. This same option you can check on another way. Open File Explorer. Up here, click on View. Then click on Options on the right side. And then, change Folder and Search Options. Click on View tab. Here you have same option as I showed you in Advanced System Settings. Make sure that this option, Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, is unchecked. Second method is to restart Windows Explorer. Sometimes Windows Explorer gets lags, and simple restart could solve the problem. To restart it, right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager. On the left side, find Windows Explorer. And then right-click on it and select Restart. Check if the problem is solved. If not, let's go to third method. Third method is to clear thumbnail cache. When we clear thumbnail cache, Windows will generate new one, and could solve this issue. To clear cache, right-click on Start, select Search, and type Disk Cleanup. Click up here on Disk Cleanup. Leave it on C drive, and press OK. Here deselect everything, and only thing you will leave checked is thumbnails. Click OK and then click on Delete Files. When done, check did this solved your problem. If it did, like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, to keep me motivated to make more videos like these, and you to be notified when I upload it. Bye and see you in my next Easy Way tutorial.